In 1869, Joseph Saxton planted 1,000 acres in Joliet, California. In 1870, Felix Gillette imported French scion to Nevada City. By 1940, all new plantings have moved into the North Valley.
Of the 365,000 acres of walnuts in California, about 300,000 are bearing. After planting, it can take 4 to 7 years until commercial bearing, but they can often give 75 years of commercial productivity. California grows 99% of the U.S. supply and accounts for almost half of the world's exported walnut trade.
Walnuts are monoecious and dichogamous, meaning different cultivars are needed in an orchard. Wind is a pollen transporter in a walnut orchard. The chart below shows pollen compatibility between varieties.
The rootstocks used in California walnuts are black walnut, paradox, and clonal paradox such as Blatch, RX1, VX211. The black walnut rootstock is known to be salt tolerant and has some resistance to crown gall, but it is known for its low vigor and it's susceptible to Phytophthora. The Paradox rootstock is a hybrid of English walnut and California black walnut. It has high vigor and is tolerant to Phytophthora, but it's susceptible to blackline and crown gall. Unlike black walnut and paradox rootstocks that are bred, paradox clones are created by plant tissue culture. The 3 clones that are available commercially are Blatch, RX1, VX211. Each are designed with different needs in mind. Walnut varieties are chosen for their good yields, light kernel color, nut size, nut fill, shell and seal strength, but also resistance to insects and disease. The leading varieties are Chandler, Tulare, and Howard, with Chandler being the most profitable because of their excellent color and relatively few pest problems. Other varieties are planted because of difference in harvest times. You do not want all your crop to drop at the same time if you cannot harvest it all in a timely manner. Determining how to plant your orchard depends on your soil type, rootstock used, and variety used. Orchard design ultimately impacts your long-term productivity. The most common designs are the square, offset square, and hedgerow. The goals of pruning are to develop strong trees capable of bearing heavy loads, ease of cultural practices, and reduce limb breakage. The 2 options are a modified central leader and the no pruning method that was developed by Bruce Lampinen. Studies so far indicate that there's no real difference in yield in Chandler and Howard trials.
The 3 major diseases in a walnut orchard are Botchоспhaeria, crown gall, and blight. The 3 major pests are codling moth, housefly, and navel orangeworm. Macronutrients are essential in walnut orchards. Soil testing and leaf analysis determine when and how much fertilizer should be applied. Fertilizers are usually applied as band on the orchard floor or in fertigation.
Mature walnut trees require 34 tons per acre or 341 gallons per day on average in summer months. Common irrigation methods include flood, microjet, sprinkler, and drip. The harvesting process begins with a tree shaker that hydraulically grabs the tree and shoots vibrations that drop the nuts to the ground. Then the sweeper will drive through the rows and collect the nuts, leaving them in a line in the middle. After removing the sticks from the line, the picker will scoop the nuts onto a conveyor, blow most of the leaves out, and fill the trailer. Once the trailer is full, the nut buggy will take the load and carry it from the field to the bins. The nut buggy will load the nuts into the bins on the trailer that will take them to the huller and dryer.
At a hauling and drying facility, walnuts are stripped of their green husk and foreign materials, then dried to 8% moisture content.
Recent trends in health and wellness have made walnuts a healthy snack choice for its many beneficial qualities, including heart health, type 2 diabetes treatment, and cancer prevention.